Alright, this is part two of commonly made mistakes by Cebuano speakers that I just wanted to get. And beforehand, I should have told y'all that all these examples I got were just from lurking through YouTube videos and searching through YouTube videos from other people and other YouTubers that comments, these are through the comments and through video shows that people post. And I just noticed that there are these errors that need to be corrected, and nobody seems to be pointing them out. So I decided to make a video on it, and these are just from various people. So if you see them, boom. If not, boom. And some of these I did change up just because for some issues or I guess copyright issues, stuff like that, just because I don't, cover my ass and all of them. So some of the words I did change, but the concept I did keep. Anyway, let's get this short video on the go. So the first sentence is, this commenter said, "Ug thank you sa pag-visit sa akong channel," right? "Ug thank you sa pag-visit sa akong channel." And this is very Seblish. How do we change this? What do we do, right? Ug means and, so and thank you, right? And thank you. Well, we know what thank you is in Cebuano, right? It's salamat. Ug salamat sa pag-visit. There's a Cebuano word for visit, is bisita, right? But we have to close the gap now, so pagbisita, right? There we go. We close the gap with the verb, right? And we put it together. Pagbisita sa akong channel. Channel is, for those of you who don't know, dun, 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 it's canal, right? Canal. Canal also means like the water canals, like that kind of stuff. The canal, right? Those waterways where the dirty water or whatever. It doesn't have to be dirty water. It's just a way where like water can flow through an area, right? And they use a canal, right? A canal. In Cebuano, it's canal, right? And in Spanish, we get this from the Spanish word is canal as well. Remember, the A just stays right? Canal. It's always and will always be It never changes. Canal. Okay? And the last sentence is, okay ni para makatonta. Well, this has some errors. The first error I see here is okay, right? It's misspelled. It's supposed to be okay, right? Okay. Because if I were to say this in Cebuano, it's ok. Ok. It's pronounced as ok, right? And if we reduplicate it, actually, if we reduplicate ok, it's actually cockroach. So, little cockroach, right? There's a little cockroach, right? It's actually ok ok is what cockroach is. So we have to say okay, e-a. We have this diphthong here, e-a, right? E-a, okay, ni, para. And here's where our final error is. Makat-on. We have to close this gap, right? Makat-on. We don't need this period. We have to change this period to a hyphen, right? So that way we have makat-on, and this hyphen again shows an internal pause. It's not necessarily a glottal stop, it's a pause. And I think I made a video about that. So it's a pause. Makat-on. There's a little pause. Makat-on. I like to call it the carryover sound. Makat-on, right? Anyway, I hope this helped, and have a happy Christmas.